A smoke alarm will chirp every 60 seconds to indicate that the backup battery is low. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you want to get the smoke alarm off, and then unplug the wires, and then open the battery compartment. Throw the old battery away. Put the new battery on like this. So make sure that the terminals line up properly, and you can put positive to positive, and make sure you push down this little red thing so that way you can close the battery door. Then push the test. Okay, it works. Then you can hopefully plug it back into the thingy. Oh, yeah. And the green light is on, so I know it's receiving AC. What is this? Okay, thanks for watching.